My name is Yankee Boysen. I'm the chairperson of the organization called Ubuntu Circle of Courage. We used to work with homeless people. I established the organization in 2014 when I was still with the City of Cape Town as an official. But now we're working in the communities, and this urban farming that we've started about 2 years ago in partnership with Citra and the community gives me a lot of joy working in the community. And we're here for 2 years now, and we hope to take the organization from strength to strength. As you know that we are busy growing in this garden, we grow different crops. We're busy here with onions, we're busy with carrots, we're busy with parsley, we're busy with carrot inside there with lots of spinach, and also we've got dhania in our garden and a lot of beetroot. The guys that are working in the garden is from the communities. They are working here and they volunteer because we don't have stipends to pay them, so they volunteer their time to come and help us. We are very grateful for Citra that forms a partnership with us, and they avail the land for us for at least 5 years. So we're here now in the second year, so we trust God to take this thing hopefully forward. As you can see here, we're busy with the celery, we're busy with the parsley, and there you can see right next to you, there we also start growing our beetroot. So this is for me the greenhouse. I like it a lot because here we can also have some playtime. And most of the guys, one of the guys that especially take his time to work in this section is Godwin Williams, who's taking his time. So all of them putting in the ground, and what for me is not just growing the plants inside here or outside, it's about the therapeutic support that we can give to youngsters out of the community. So that's for me, it's very much important, and we thank God for the partnership that we have with Citra. So here you can also see the favorite of the community is the spinach that we grow here, and there we have some onions. And at the back, I don't know if you want still go out at the back, but at the back we're also busy with onions, and we're also busy with our green beans that side of the world. So yeah, we thank God what we are doing here. But it's not just for Ubuntu Circle of Courage. This is a community garden, and we also want this for our kids to come here, have time and spend time with us. And we also hope and still hope that the school here nearby, Malibu High School, that they can send the youngsters here, those youngsters that struggle with behavioral problems, that they come here, not do away with the detention program, but come here and see what they can learn to get out of the ground and to work with us in our programs. So we're very much into developmental programs, the gender-based violence, our youngsters, and that is what we do here as an organization.